Alright, this video is just going to be over a quick example of how to find the equation of a tangent line. Alright, so let's say our equation is f of x is equal to 3, and we want to find the equation of the tangent line going through the point 1, 3. Alright, so to start out with, we're going to have to take the derivative. And since we have two variables, our x and our y, that's basically saying the product rule. So we're going to have our first times the derivative of our second plus the derivative of the first times the second, being equal to, and we're taking the derivative of both sides, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So that is going to leave us with, and since we're taking this with respect to x, so that's going to be x y prime plus, since we're doing it with respect to x, d dx. Then that is going to be the derivative of x is just going to be 1 times y, which is going to give us y is equal to 0. So we're going to have x y prime equal to negative y, and so our y prime is just going to be negative y over x, and since this is going through the point 1, 3, the 1 is going to be our x, and our y is going to be 3. Alright, so we take these values and plug them in down here on the bottom, and so our y prime is going to be equal to negative y, which is 3, over our x, which is 1. So we're going to have negative 3. Alright, now whenever you take the derivative, you're actually finding a slope of the tangent line, and so this is going to be m, and m is our slope, and we're going to need that for whenever we actually do the equation of a line in the form of y minus y1 is equal to m, which is our slope, of x minus x1. Alright, so now that we have that, we have our y1, our x1, and we have our slope. So we can just go ahead and plug this information in, and I'll do that on another slide. I'll clean this up a bit. Alright, so right over here is the equation of a line, and we were given the point 1, 3, and out of that we get our x1 being equal to 1, our y1 being equal to 3, and we had our slope, which was m, which was basically our y prime from taking the derivative a second ago. So now we'll just go through and plug all of this in. We have our y minus our y1, which was 3, is equal to our slope, which is negative 3, times x minus our x1, which is 1. Alright, so now we just go ahead and get y by itself. So we're going to have y is equal to negative 3x plus 3 as far as this chunk right here, is that. And then we added 3 to both sides to get y by itself. And I'll just highlight this. Alright, so then whenever we go through and just simplify that a little bit, have y equals negative 3x plus 6 as the equation of a tangent line. Going through point 1, 3 of line yx equals 3. And so that's how we found the equation of a tangent line, given certain parameters.